Finally, winter's over and we are on a little trip. This will be a series actually, where I take you through the different wandering spots there are. So let's go. So the intro started a bit rough because I started at a gate. The lock was open, so I just opened it and went. This will be a series. I want to take you with me through the hiking trails you have here that are recommended. This is the final destination of the first one. I was being me getting here. Let's put it that way. So enjoy watching. I guess I found the alternative route. So if you see this, that's water. And it's going over the street I tried to cross. Wow, across the stream here. So the first thing I have to remember next time, always take boots, because right now I don't have boots on. Somehow the path ends here. And it sounds like way more water. Let's try to find a way. I can't walk there, man. So, I might be an idiot, guys. So I thought, oh damn, the street is over here. Well, for a car, I think. But there's a little bridge. Wow, I was up there for nothing. It doesn't look that trustworthy, but it holds. Alright, let's go. This is the normal road though. Pretty easy to walk. And still beautiful. If you're interested, we are today still at under 10 degrees Celsius. So perfect weather actually. It's a bit cloudy today, but it is what it is. This is the first stop, so we're actually like 1 kilometer in. I understand. Looks great here. Let's get some nice shots in here. So I think it's like a theme here. See the street You can't pass it. So there's a bridge. I could have just made bigger bridges, right? I guess it's not the plan. This one looks better. Now we have the ferns again. This looks so surreal. I don't know. We are also in moose territory, so I hope we see one. Oh no! What's this? What a coincidence! We have a tree here. I think we reached the end of the normal road. This is snow. And yeah, it's not continuing. Looks like. Let's check it out. Wow, it's loud here. So someone was here with a bike. So I think I'll just look for bike tracks now. Oh, okay, he didn't go here. Or did he? I see. I hope he's not a tourist. It is a nice bike trail though. Also, there was no sign, so I really don't know if this is the right path. That looks like it. So guys, this might be expensive, so I want it on camera at least. So you see water going in there, water coming out there, and there are footsteps. God damn it. Don't do this at home. Okay, it's still thick enough. Holy shit. Never do this. I said it in a video before when I was in Kvænangen. Now I do it. Bad example. Right, this is the track. So guys, that's actually kind of cool. So a few meters after I walked over the snow, I found this little hut, and I opened it, and you can see you can sit here, maybe you can sleep on those. There's a little stove. Yeah. So you can, well, it loses some fur, but what else do you have here? Oh, those are the names. I don't have a pen. Oh, there's a pen. firewood. Those are starters. That's actually kind of cool. So the footsteps I saw are from, if he didn't write his name in here, from April, 4th of April. Well, what's today's date? I don't even know. The 8th? 7th of June. So I'm gonna write my name down, sit here for a bit and enjoy. So we actually have not much time to waste, right? It could need some love. So what can you see here? This is the end of the route though. There's a fire spot with little logs to sit on, and there's just an open field, the mountains all around you. It's kind of cool. Sorry if I make you dizzy. So guys, no rain, the sun is coming out there. I'm heading back home. As you might saw in the drone footage, there is a path further into the towards, what is that? It should be pretty much north, maybe northeast. But I have no equipment with me, so I also have no food. So I head home now. But that will be, it is not on the recommended list. As I said, the fun destination of the recommended one is that little hut there. So it might be interesting what's over there. That is for the special people, for my customers. Because I'm proud to announce I sell those tours. Now, obviously not this normal thing here, but everything that goes beyond, I guide you there. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you on the next tour. Bye.